Hi, Lauren.
Hi, Ansem.
Can you please tell us whether a vessel can be held liable under US law and what claims can give rise to maritime liens?
Yes, in the United States, a vessel is considered to be a legal person, separate and distinct from its owner or operator, and can be held liable for torts and contractual obligations. A person claiming to hold a maritime lien against a vessel may file suit in rem against the vessel. Maritime liens arise by operation of law in the US. So they arise from torts, contracts, particular maritime services such as salvage or towage. Some maritime liens that give rise to claims include seamen's wages, torts, general average claims, supplies, repairs, and other necessaries furnished to a vessel, claims for damages or loss of cargo, breach of charter parties, etc. So under the US, in the US, unlike many other countries, we're not a signatory to any international ship arrest conventions. So a claimant can assert a maritime lien against a vessel under Rule C of the Federal Maritime Supplemental Admiralty Rules. So under Rule C, a claimant must set forth facts in the complaint establishing it has a maritime lien against the vessel and the vessel is located in a district where the court's located. So if the court issues the arrest warrant, if the claimant establishes those facts, the U.S. Marshal goes out, arrests the vessel, and the vessel can be released upon the posting of adequate security. If the vessel owner does not promptly offer to post security, the arresting party can move for an order directing the sale of the vessel. They must show the vessel is either subject to deterioration, the expense of keeping the vessel is excessive, or the owner's delay has been unreasonable. And then under Admiralty Rule E, which governs the process for the arrest, a defendant who has given security is actually entitled to seek counter security for any counterclaims arising out of the same transaction. The court has discretion as to whether to order the posting of counter security, and if so, in what amount. I've actually seen cases where the plaintiff files a motion to vacate an arrest and seeks counter security for a wrongful arrest. But the wrongful arrest standard in the US is very high. An arrest can only be held to be wrongful if it's made in bad faith, with malice, or gross negligence. So if they can establish a claim for wrongful arrest, though, that claim includes attorney's fees, costs, and damages directly attributable to the arrest. So I hope that answers your question.
Thank you so much. That was perfect. Thank you very much, Lauren. See you soon.
Thank you, Ansa.